Hello guys, good afternoon, good morning, good evening. Thank you so much for all the lovely comments and the appreciations we've got for the 3 videos we've posted. We're trying to do a Thai steamed fish. You could bake it or steam it. I like to bake it, and you could pretty much use any white fish, barramundi, sole, even salmon does very well. But right now we have a fillet of sole. So we'll take some garlic, quick smash, and chop this finely. Put this in a plate here. What goes very well with this is some chopped ginger, some red chilies. Take the stalk out. Finely chop the chilies. In goes the chili. Next, some coriander. So what we do with the coriander is use the roots and the stems. This adds a huge different value to the whole dish by itself. So remove the roots and then chop the stems. Now we take some lime leaves. The trick to this is take 3 of them and roll them like this, and then finely slice it. As we do that, some more firepower to the dish, lemongrass. Give it a quick smash at the thick part of the root here. Don't need to do too much. We'll just leave this at the bottom. While it's steaming, this is going to release some beautiful, beautiful flavors. The next goes the lime. Gently press the lime so that the juices come out more readily. There you go. With all these things inside, we now need to put a dash of light soy sauce, and this enhances the flavor even more. I add some salt to this. What goes very well is some chopped onions. I like to do this marination for about 2 hours. The fish doesn't take much, so you take this marination, put some oil. 2 teaspoons of oil should be good. It brings everything together. And we move to our plate here. And this is for marination. We'll bake this after 2 hours. And we douse this with our marinade that we've done. We'll use both sides. We'll now go back and marinate this for 20 to 30 minutes. 2 hours is good, but 30 minutes should be fine for today. And then we're going to stick it in the oven for another 15 minutes. We'll come back to you. Guys, here's this beautifully marinated fish from the refrigerator after about 20 minutes. We take onions and we cut some round pieces of the onions. Take some ginger and create some slight juliennes of ginger. 1 red chili, we'll de-sear it again. And my last ingredient, some more kaffir lime. This is the plate. I'm going to put some kaffir lime leaves at the bottom. Bring my fish along with the lemongrass stems, and we'll put the lemongrass at the bottom again. While it's baking, this is going to release a lot of good flavor. We'll now place the onions on top, some ginger and some red chili, and then we're going to finish this with some chopped coriander, cilantro. This is ready now to go into the oven for 15 minutes at 180 degrees. I actually wrap this in silver foil so that we don't get direct heat, and we cook it in its own steam, which gives it a kind of a steamy affair. We'll come back, guys, in 30 minutes. In the oven for 15 minutes. Beautiful. There you go. We'll open the silver foil in a bit. Here you are, guys, straight off the oven. Let me do a quick garnish with some red chilies, some lemon wedges, and some chopped cilantro again. The entire lemon juice, oil, soy sauce has been absorbed. This is so delicate and beautiful and lovely to eat. Let me quickly show you what this will look like. There you go. Done beautifully. I can't wait to dive into this. But guys, steamed Thai fish. Cheers. Thank you.